Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best drawer rolling carts that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Seville Classic She 16210 10 Drawer Organizer. Taking the second spot on our list is another entry from Seville Classics. This organizer cart comes in a translucent finish that allows you to identify your files easier through the semi-transparent drawers. With its generous spaces, you can give your files, handicraft items, arts and supplies, and many other materials a proper and systematic storage. The drawers are all removable, easy to install and remove anytime you need to. And because this organizer cart comes in white, you can complement it with your minimalist room or office with white hues. The 4 caster wheels will allow you to move it from one place to another. This is an ideal storage for your office supplies, household items, kitchen utensils, and many other essentials you need to store. At number 4. Medium 10 Drawer Cart with Organizer Top. It is easy to check and keep all your files accessible with a reliable drawer organizer cart. And if you want to see all your files right through your storage, transparent or clear drawers might be the best option for you. This organizer cart offers 10 clear drawers that allow to easily identify the files and contents just before you take them out. The built-in storage boxes easily glide in and out of the high-quality and durable plastic rack. It comes with 4 caster wheels for enhanced mobility. You can move it around your room or office without any trouble. It keeps it simple with tones of black and white that you can match with your minimalist interiors. And to keep the drawers secure, this cart features drawer stops to prevent them from falling out. The top surface also features a divider tray for an additional storage space. At number 3. Seville Classics 10 Drawer Organizer Cart. Save space with Seville Classics 10 Drawer Organizer Cart. Constructed with industrial-strength tubular steel finished in chrome, the cart features tall, easy-to-grab handles and a removable white top tray 14 inches LX10. 25 inches WX1. 45 inches H for extra storage space. Cart includes 10 removable polypropylene drawers in red, orange, green, blue, and violet with a pearlescent finish, color-matched drawer pull knobs, and includes 2 drawers per color. The interior of each drawer measures 13.63 inches long, 9.5 inches wide and 2.6 inches tall. That's deep enough to hold a ream of printer paper with space to spare. Each drawer can hold up to 3 pounds, while the top shelf can withstand up to 16.5 pounds. Remove drawers and reorder them as needed for an organization solution that works for you. At number 2. Seville Classics 15 Drawer Organizer Cart. The interior of each drawer measures 15.2 inches long and 11.25 inches wide, deep enough to hold a ream of printer paper with space to spare. Each drawer can hold up to 3 pounds, while the top shelf can withstand up to 16.5 pounds. Remove drawers and reorder them as needed for an organization solution that works for you. Use it as a makeup organizer or as arts and crafts storage. Fill it with notepads, binders, staples, and other supplies next to your desk as an office storage cart. The cart includes 4 1.5-inch casters with 2 that lock, so the cart goes where you need and stays where you put it. This convenient organizer is ideal for use in the dorm room, classroom, office, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, garage or workspace. At number 1. Finnhomy 12-Drawer Plastic Portable Mobile Organizer. Organize your daily life with this multipurpose Finnhomy 12-Drawer Rolling Organizer Cart. This handy cart measures 24.8 d by 14.6 w by 28.9 h and has sturdy construction with bright chrome-plated metal frame and a top metal shelf for additional workspace. It has 12 semi-transparent sliding PP drawers, smoke color for easy organization, and 4 black rolling casters, 2 with lock, for convenient mobility and 360-degree rotation. 8 small drawer size, 11.25 by 14.37 by 2.36, 4 large drawer size, 11.25 by 14.37 by 4.72. Leaving plenty of space for the storage. This helpful organizer cart load up to 18 pounds and is ideal for kitchen, school, office, the workshop, and garage storage and organizer. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.